Hey guys, thought I'd do a little tool unboxing today. Bought some new M18 Milwaukee stuff. We've been working around the house. My rigid stuff's getting worn out. Found a pretty good deal, I thought, on this bigger set. Then got there and found an even better deal on the M18 fuel set. So I went ahead and bought that and worm drive skill saw. We'll get this stuff opened up and see what we got. This set's supposed to have a 1/2 inch hammer drill, 1/4 inch impact, I believe, hacksaw. There was something else, I don't remember what it was now. Oh, it's got two 5 amp hour batteries and the charger, and it came with the pack out box for, I think we got this for 400 bucks on clearance. Check and make sure. Oh, it also came with the angle grinder. Or there's the drill. Fairly nice little compact unit. Impact's even nicer size. Got our two 5 amp hour batteries. Kind of like Christmas morning. Of course, they didn't come charged. We'll have to make a second part to the video of trying this stuff out after I get it charged up. Nice little charger. Sawzall blade. More crap. I could figure out what that is. Got a handle for a drill. That's a really heavy feeling grinder. I think I'll like that. Got the side handle for the grinder. Got a wrench for grinding wheels. Blade guard with the grinder. I'm sure that'll come off probably sooner rather than later. I like the way that's set up to positive stop. I'm telling you, this grinder feels really well built. And we got our little hacksaw sawzall. I wasn't sure about this, but it actually feels pretty good in your hand. And like I said, it all came with this rolling tote, expandable to stack above. Got the extending pull handle and wheels. This is the other set I looked at was, I believe, 6 tools and a carry bag. This happened to be sitting right next to it on clearance. Originally it had been almost $900, and I got it for 4 all in this. This was the one I was really excited about. It doesn't come in any kit that I could find. And this one didn't come with a saw like the other one. So I went ahead and bought this one separately. Look, that's just a dust port. And instructions, but who needs those? Got a blade wrench right here. Full 7 1/4 inch blade. Carpenters at work have one of these, and I've been thoroughly impressed with it. There we go. This seems to be a really well built saw from what I've seen of them. Let's see if these batteries have got any charge to them. Little bit. Thing really balances nice and rests on your arm when you've got a battery on it. Well guys, I just thought I'd share this little unboxing with you. I'll try to maybe get a second part out to this video when I get to use this stuff. Right now I'm gonna have to get the batteries charged up. Anyways, if you like my stuff, please click that thumbs up, hit that little bell so it notifies you when I get a new video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.